Make yourself comfortable and close your eyes and begin to focus on your breathing. Breathing in and out through your nose. Just noticing the gentle flow of air as you breathe in. Breathe in through your nose and breathe out through your nose. Gently breathing in through your nose and out through your nose. Breathing in and breathing out. Focusing ever inward. Perhaps imagining breathing in a sense of peace and comfort with every breath you breathe in. Breathing in peace. Breathing in comfort. Imagining in your own way. Breathing in peace. What does peace look like? As you breathe in, what does peace feel like? As you breathe in, listen to the sound of peace. And imagine in whatever way is right for you, breathing in comfort. What does comfort look like? As you breathe in, what does comfort feel like? Listen to the sound of comfort. As you breathe in and as you breathe out, imagine breathing out unwanted thoughts, all the hurts and all the unwanted feelings, all the pains and aches. Imagine breathing out unwanted thoughts and feelings in whatever way is right for you. Now, breathe in peace, comfort, and calm. Breathe in tranquility. Deeper and deeper relax. Focusing deeper and deeper into your inner realities. Deeper and deeper into the trance. Now I'll be counting from 5 to 1. With each descending number, you are going to get more and more relaxed. More relaxed. That means that you are going to be more mentally calm and more physically relaxed. More mentally calm and physically relaxed that you have ever felt in a long, long back. So ready? 5, 4, deeper and deeper relax. 3, deep, deep relax. 2, 1, deeper and deeper relax into a wonderful hypnotic relaxation. The light trance state. In any moment, you'll get more and more relaxed. And the only sound which is important for you is the sound of my voice. The sound of my voice will make you more and more relaxed. More and more relaxed into a wonderful hypnotic relaxation. Deeper and deeper into the trance as we go on. And as you relax ever more deeply and comfortably into this wonderful trance, enjoying your favorite place of relaxation, I would like you to know that as each day goes by, you are becoming more mentally calm and little more clear in your mind each day, which means that you are going to be able to think more clearly, see things more clearly, so that nothing, no one will ever be able to upset you in a quite same way. Your mind becomes more and more clear, crystal clear, allowing you to feel physically more relaxed, not only in your body, but you will feel more relaxed about yourself, about the world around you, as you are becoming more and more relaxed. As the days goes by, weeks, months, your mind become more clear and your body become more relaxed, that you are going to be able to cope better with anything or anybody in any situation you have handled in your life, because you are coping more calmly and more confidently, and you have more greater self-control over the way you think, and greater self-control over the way you feel, greater self-control over the way you behave every day. As you're experiencing a greater feeling of well-being, physical as well as mental, a greater feeling of safety and security that you have experienced in a long, long time. As you feel a weight of a burden has been lifted off you, allowing you to feel more relaxed, allowing you to live your life in the way that will be more satisfying to you. And now I'm going to wake you up by counting from 1 to 5. With each ascending number, you're going to wake up, and with the count of 3, you're going to open your eyes, and with the count of 5, you will be fully wide awake. You will feel fine and well-being. Every part of you will be back here with me in the present, and all normal sensation will return to your body. You will wake up fully fine, feeling refreshed, feeling well-being, and more optimistic that you have ever felt in a long, long time. So ready? 1, 2, 3. Waking up. 4, 5. Open your eyes. Fully wide awake.